YouTubers, it's me, Kinghuman. Here's what's doing. First of all, unclench your pucker butt. This is not going to cost you one penny, and it could potentially make you some decent money from home. So watch this entire video. What is it? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a cool app that I came across that can make you money from home in a couple of different ways. The most important thing to understand here is, towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you a way to hack this app so that it can make you money on autopilot 24/7. And, well, let's just watch the video, right? Enough of me. Booyakasha. All right, guys. Let's get into this. Ooh, just had a good sip of tea there. All right, here's what's doing. Before we even get into this, I want you to get your hackles up. I want you to understand this is totally free. Doesn't cost you anything. You can get your account and do just what I'm doing. Won't cost you a penny. So here's what's doing. This is an app that will pay you for taking certain actions. I don't know if you've seen it before. Probably not. I think it's something that a lot of people don't know about. They know about similar apps. But this one, I think, is different because it's got huge ratings. And I'll get into that in a minute. So what is this? Well, you can get paid in points for doing certain things, taking certain actions. Those points are basically money. So what happens is you go through and you can do all these different things to earn points. And then your points translate into money. And how do you get paid? Anybody can get paid in several different ways. You can get paid with a gift card. And you can see the amounts here go up to whatever, right? Up to $1,000. You can get paid in cash via PayPal or a Visa gift card. And Visa gift card, that's just like a credit card. You can spend it anywhere. And they just charge it up with however much money you've made. And, 250 is the max on this card. But you can get more than one card. So if you're earning more than $250 a day, when you request your gift card, say, okay, I'm going to cash out all of my points. I need 5 of these cards for $250 each. And you can even get paid in Bitcoin. Now, let's go back to surveys. You can take surveys. You can go into the offer vault and go into any of these offers. Cash back. This is just cash back. If you're going to shop for something, you might as well get a few bucks back, right? They have contests where you can enter a contest. They have instant scratch and win contests where you can win up to 50,000 points instantly. And the thing about the contest, right, is it's not a guarantee. It's a contest, but you can do it every day. And your odds of winning a contest are, based on however many people can win and however many people enter. So that's that. The other thing you can do is download apps and get points. You can put the kids on that, right? I mean, I'm not going to download apps. I'm not actually, you know what? I'm not going to do any of this stuff. Now we're going to get into where the rubber hits are. Oh, wait a minute. First, I want to talk about this because this is let me go into my dashboard and I'll show you. See? So this is what's doing. They want me to fill out a form that tells them a little bit about who I am. Am I a man? Am I a woman? How old am I? What part of the country am I living in? Now, why do they want that information? It's not sinister. What they're doing is they're collecting information for demographic study. Because what this app is, they're a company that provides information to companies that make products, right? So if I'm a product manufacturer and I want to make my product better and I want to learn how to sell my product better to people, what I need to do is I need to get information from those people. I need them to tell me, what do they like about my product? What don't they like about my product? How could I make it better? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to target a survey towards my demographics. So if I'm making pantyhose, I'm not going to send a survey to a Marine drill sergeant because that guy's not going to wear pantyhose. So that's why they want me to fill out a simple survey about who I am and what's going on. Whoops, that glitched. So that's it. All you have to do is go through here, fill out let's see, I am January 1st. Yes, I really was born on New Year's Day. And the year, let's see, I don't think it goes back far enough. No, it doesn't. It doesn't go back to the 1800s, so I'm not sure I can do this. But anyway, that's what's doing, right? So if I come in here, once I do that, I'm going to unlock up to 500 points right off the bat, and then I'll be able to see all these other surveys that I can start taking. And the more surveys I can take, the more I can make. And the more I can make, the more I can take, and on and on and on. But now, here comes the juicy part. Here's the other way you can make points on autopilot. This is how you hack the system. Let me show you this. Share with friends. So this is cool. What is this? This is their viral sharing program. And this is the way they're trying to build up their business, right? And make it big. So like anybody wants to do. Anybody wants to get their business to go big, right? So here's what's going on. They have a referral system where if you get your friends or anybody really to join using your link, you can earn 50% of the points that your friends make on the platform or your recruits, right? Which can be huge. Think about that. Let's say you tell somebody, you go onto Facebook, right? And you post your referral link. We'll get into this in a minute. You post your referral link on Facebook and say, hey guys, I know a lot of you guys are stuck at home with the whole Corona thing and you got no money coming in. This might be a good way for you guys to make money because it's easy. All you have to do is take a few surveys, right? You can also win money, instant money in contests, and you can get paid in cash via PayPal. You can get paid with a credit card. You can get paid in Bitcoin. You can even get paid with gift cards. If that appeals to you, click the link below. It can be that easy. Now, let's say you get somebody that comes in here and goes nuts. The guy does 1 million surveys a day, and he makes, I don't know, let's just say something I think might be reasonable. Again, I don't know. I haven't done this. I haven't taken a single survey yet myself. But let's say the guy makes $100 a day or even $50. Let's say he makes $50 a day taking surveys, right? Well, that means you can get $25 a day on autopilot from that one person. It's not going to cost him anything, and you're not doing any work. And that's one person. Let's say you got 10 people on this platform that really were really going after it and taking surveys and taking surveys and taking surveys. And then they're winning money and they're winning points and all that stuff. And they're downloading apps and they're doing all these things to get all these points. And they're making all this money. Well, you can potentially get 50% of those points. Now, why is it potentially 50%? Because in order for you to get 50%, you have to get 3 other people to join, which I did instantly. I mean, I just made a simple post on Facebook, and it was really nothing, So this is what you do. Now, first of all, let me talk about this. My mind is bouncing around here because I'm not sure you understand what you're looking at right here is called an affiliate program. This is how I make a good amount of money. This is kind of how I made over $1 million online, is with affiliate programs. So don't tell me affiliate programs do not work. You may not know what an affiliate program is, but I'm going to educate you towards this. Basically, all an affiliate program is when you find a product, somebody that has a product or a service for sale, and they are willing to pay you to tell other people about it. So in other words, all I have to do is come in here and copy my link. That's this one right here. And I'm going to put this link right below this video so that you can join this platform. Again, it's 100% free for you to join. And it doesn't cost you anything extra to join through my link. Now, when you click on that link, you may be asked for a referral code in order to get access. Your referral code will be Kinghuman, one word. Okay, and that you can open up your free account, and then you can either do, well, you can not either, you can do both if you want, but you can come in here and actually use this, take surveys, get paid, get discount offers. Oh no, that's the offer vault. Okay. Earn cash back on your purchases. You can enter contests every day and maybe win some big points. You can get paid for downloading apps. And then you can just request your money. Again, either in cash, through PayPal, or a Visa gift card. So very cool. But the second thing you can do is share this on social media, just like I told you how to do, right? And I have advanced techniques on how to share this and really make money. And we'll get into that in later videos. The other thing you can do is go to my website, thekinghumanelite.com, and I'll put a link to that right below this link. That's where I teach people how to be affiliates and how to be an affiliate marketer and make huge money doing things like this. Being an affiliate marketer is basically as simple as signing up on a free platform, going and finding cool things like this that you can share, and getting a link just like that, and putting it out there on social media. Now, you can do that in two different ways. You can do it with free traffic. In other words, you can send traffic using free social media through your link to platforms like this that will pay you, or you can promote it by doing cheap pay-per-click traffic. For instance, I can put an ad on Facebook and literally pay pennies per click. And I can have people come in here and do this, and basically I'm going to have an army of people working for me because I'm going to get 50% of the points that they earn. Now, it's not going to cost them anything, and it doesn't cost me anything. It's just a bonus. How does this work? Well, how it works is the big companies that are trying to get research for their products and whatever pay this platform. And this platform says, okay, we're willing to pay you to take a survey. So basically, all the money in this is coming from the big companies that are wanting to learn how to sell their products better, how to make their products better, how to do any of this stuff. Anyway, I hope this makes sense to you. It's not rocket surgery. It's pretty easy. Click the thing, get your account, enter the name Kinghuman to get access, and boom goes the dynamite. Also, do me a solid and let me know what you think. Make a comment below, like and share this video if you want. You don't have to, I don't care, but it's cool. It's just encouraging me and it helps me out. So if I've done something to help you out, you can hit a couple of buttons and help me out, right? So you can like and share this video, but make a comment below, and I see your comments and I reply to them. So it lets me know what you guys want, and I will try and get you guys on the path, because right now we've got a dire situation with a lot of people out of work. I mean, I've been saying this for years, you know, guys, get your side hustle on. You know, I used to be a stupid truck driver. This is a true story. No joke. I used to be an underpaid, stupid truck driver. And I learned about this affiliate marketing stuff, and I made $1 million online, over $1 million online. I mean, my first year, from year one, I made huge, okay, I don't want to make this about me. It's starting to sound bad. But anyway, there it is, guys. Do it, don't do it. It's up to you. Make a comment below. Join, don't join, live your life. most of all, stay healthy, stay safe. And if you can, think about donating a couple of bucks to help a sick kid at St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. Cheers.